servant girl was furnished. Me, like so many others, not needing a food. Что будет трудом?
Well, it's fit for another day, I think. Fit enough to face a mortal adversary. I've been scheming.